This is not brand new. This is used. This is pre-owned. This is off of eBay. In the comments, how much do you think this is worth right now? This is November 2018. And then at the end of the video, I will reveal how much this cost me off of eBay. It comes with a fan connector. That's cool, so the system can control it. Support bracket. You can move it, place it. That's cool. Quick install guide. Cool. Different languages. That. Alright, manufacturer. That's the bracket. Cool. Different notches. Put that back in there. Screws. I don't know what that was. And now for the big boy. Oh, there we go. Oh gosh. Grab it by the plastic. I might not be static free at the moment. Wowie zowie. That is 3 slots. That is the 3-slot card. Look at all that cooling. Look at all that nitro. Nitro. Okay, look at that. 3 8-pin connectors. Goodness gracious. And 4 covers. Yeah, I'm gonna need a HDMI for now. Alright, so let me put this back in the anti-static bag. So that's going to be my graphics card for a very long time. Probably as long as that 580 GTX has been. I paid $360.65. That's including the shipping. Is it a deal? For me it was. It was that price because it was a bid and I wanted a bid. Yeah. Only 4 people bid on that. Yeah. I'm glad. Hallelujah. Well,
I'll tell you one thing, I am done. Let me get my light. Since I got my light, let me get my light. I am done with full ends, and they're female ends anyway. Male ends are fine on this version 4. I don't know what improved with 5. I think I'm done with them. I can't see the screen. I don't have it right. Here we go.
So the male ends, they look fine. Look at that. See that? That's how they're supposed to look. And this is an old one, version 3. So it looks like that. It's okay. But the female end on version 4, when I disconnected this, it was still seized all the way down, and it just now popped back up. It was leaking right here. It wasn't leaking in the case, I'll give it that, but with the previous one that was here, it leaked, and so I had to get rid of it, and they wouldn't, you know, because they said, oh, you're not using the official fluid. I'm like, okay, whatever, not buying your stuff anymore. So now I just don't need that, so I'm gonna find I don't even know where it goes. Oh, it would go over here. So I'm gonna find a hose that'll be long enough to go from here all the way to there. Maybe I'll buy another one and put it there. Fortunately, I don't have to buy another one of these. There's that. That's not metal. All right, back to work. Well, as you can see, it fits in there fine. Oh, wait, that's not the, there we go. It fits in there fine. It's just, that's there. That's just the little reservoir part, and I basically fill into that. It's no big deal. So I'm gonna do something to fix that. Yeah, I got some angled things, so I don't know. I can always move this. Yeah, I could just move it. Maybe I don't know. I'll figure something out. All right, so now I have angled it. Look at that angle. Look at the angle. Look at it. zip tie right there, and then one screw there. So it is angled now. This makes it where I can still plug up that without, you know, issue, and then this won't conflict with that. Alright, so I'll do as much as I can and then stop because I'm not going to ace today when I can go tomorrow. Well, I discovered something interesting. These two fit just fine. This one, however, no, not that one. This one, however, see how that's all the way on the left side, and then this one is kind of the extra? It does not match with the rest of them. It's like it's backwards or something, so I don't know. So I can't even use this until I get a power supply that can, I mean, technically it should be able to handle it, but it didn't, one of the plugs doesn't match up, so maybe I'll flip this around or something, but it's not, it doesn't work. I have no hopes for this, but we'll see if this is really beyond 2 slots. Oh, look at that, it's just hidden on that. Look at that. That's not gonna fit in there. Definitely not. I'm not taking the Zotac out, no way. I've been working on this in between my breaks. Those 2 fans, that fan and the top fan should all be on that rear. No, actually, these are connected to the motherboard. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. And actually, one of them is going to end up being connected to the graphics card because it has a fan thing. So it'll probably be this one. And maybe the one down there, those will be connected to the graphics card. Anyway, so the rest of these are connected to the fan controller in the back, so hopefully everything's working just fine. You can see I closed up the loop. Ace decided to not carry this size anymore, which is, this size was a little too small, but then this size is not the right size either, but it's just close enough. So next time I get tubes, I'm just gonna have to order the right size online and get whatever. But that's gonna be a while before I do that. And then I'll get new fluid too, because I'm tired of this fluid. Now, earlier in the video, I probably said something about this particular one. I want you to really look, let me move that back, really look at the 3. This one on the left and that one on the right flow perfectly with the wires, but this one did not. As you can see, these wires here rotated around this way. The rest of them
come out just right. Let me give you a little more light. My bad.
So yeah, look at how they flow. See how the other 2 on the outsides, they're just right, but then the one on the middle is twisted and going backwards basically. The front's in the back and the back's in the front. So yeah, for some reason that cable was messed up, but the others were just fine. So after figuring that out, I could plug all 3. So that's 1, 2, 3, those 3 at the top there. Alright, so it's ready to receive all of that power. Come on. Alright, well, as you can see, I go in the bathroom when I do this, but I'll be taking that apart and that apart, and I'm cleaning this. That's the main reason I'm cleaning that, because it gets clogged, you know, growth and whatnot. So I have to clean it or else it won't flow. And here's all the leftover parts that I'm not using anymore, all because the GPU is not water cooled for now. I probably still won't water cool it. Alright, and I have the loop running. You can tell which hose is new. Let me see if that fits. I might have a little problem because I moved that to this side. So now, because I don't have anything going on that side, so there's no point in that crossing over. But now it's a different size, so I might have to fix that or just let it hit the door. It's fine. Who cares? I mean, what happens when it hits the door? Hold on. What happens when it hits? Let me see. It's gonna hit the door. Yeah, I mean, yeah, it doesn't matter. Yeah. Alright, well, and there's no leaks. Yay, nothing's leaking. I had enough confidence in it to just go ahead and just put it back together and whatnot. I'm gonna tell you a secret though. I ran out of paste, so there's 2 different paste in there. I need to order some more, or else I'll be delayed next time I have to do something like this. Alright, well, there it is. Look at it. Looks nice. I'll have it running, yeah, probably tonight. Yeah, I'll probably do it before The most comparable results is an i5-20 with a 1060, and it's 9,000. So that's 9,000 now, today, and then 3,500 back then, 660. At medium settings, of course. And that's the OpenGL results. Well, I haven't installed the Radeon software just yet, but I did turn the computer on and it did load up in the Windows no problem. I actually need to know how much RAM I have. I probably could find an easier way to do this system. Yeah, there we go. 24. I was wondering because I got 3 slots in there. I wanted to make sure I put in the right one, and I did. Good job, me. I guess you'll just have to believe me when I say there's 24 in there. Anyway, after such a long time, I totally forgot how to do Speedfan, but that is the Vega 56 temperatures on, the Sapphire card. So 36, that's really good. Yeah, I like that. So I won't have to water cool it. I don't know how hot it will get when I'm running benchmarks. I'll see later. All right, so this graphics card. I wonder why it says Vega 8 GP. It's weird because here it says Vega 8 GP. I'll bring GPU Z up real quick. Oh, wrong mouse. I'm making all kinds of mistakes. All right, over here it says Vega 10. So that says Vega 8. That says Vega 10. I don't. It's a Vega 56. So I don't know what's going on, but hey, 11,000. That's good. That's the max and minimums and stuff. It was on medium settings though, so it wasn't working too hard, as you can see. That's DirectX. Let me do OpenGL. See how that goes. We'll be back. And OpenGL is a little lower there. Interesting. I'm sorry. My bad. That noise.